Hi guys, this is Mike from programming.org. In the last tutorial I showed you how to create a person class, and this is a blueprint that defines all common attributes that would create each object. So in this tutorial I created a driver class with a main method, and we can create objects from the class person. So let's do that now. We can say person Mike equals new person, and then because we created a constructor right here that says person and it takes in a string name and an ID of type int, we need to do that. So let's put in Mike as a string right there, and then comma, and then we'll put in an ID number. So we'll put in a 1. And what this means is you're instantiating the Mike object, and when you use the new operator, that's giving making space in memory to hold the information for this object. And you can also come up here, say person, get a little space, person, and let's create another person. We'll say John, and it doesn't need to be initialized. And you can come down here, and all you have to do is say John equals new person, and we'll say John 2. And it's probably giving me an error because this needs to be static. Let's see. Yes. So let's create a static person John. Alright, so now we have two instances of the person class, and I just showed you two ways how to instantiate. You can declare the type and then the name that references it to the object you created, or you can have the type and the name up here and then recall it down here and instantiate it. So either way is fine, whatever you want to do. And let's say we want to print out some of the characteristics and see what's the difference. So let's print out Mike, and let's print out John. And by doing this, this is equivalent to saying Mike.toString, the toString method that we created. So this right here is not necessary when you want to print out the information you have defined down here. So what this is called is dot notation, where you have the object name, dot, and then the method. So toString, you do not have to have the dot toString, but for any other method that's available, you would have to say dot get name or dot set name, and then put in the parameter of the name you would like to change it to. So I'll print this out first with the toString, and as you can see, we got ID 1, and then Mike, and then ID 2, and John. And if we get rid of this dot toString, should print the same exact thing out, and it does. And then there's other methods we can do. We can say system.out.println. Let's say Mike.getID. Should print a 1 at the bottom of the screen. And let's say that we have a long list of objects we created from different classes, and you're getting confused. Who knows why you need to call this, but let's just say we want to find out what class John belongs to. So one way we can do this is say sysout, and we can say John.getClass, and what this is going to do is return the class name to which it belongs. So it belongs from the person class. So that's a tutorial, a quick overview of what an object is versus what a class is. So please continue to watch the next few tutorials, which I'll get a little bit more in depth and explain to you things such as the constructor, getters and setters, and other methods and toStrings. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.